What is Solana? Hello, welcome to the Soldex Academy. Today, we're going to discuss Solana. In 2017, Anatoly Yakovenko, an ex-senior staff engineer at Qualcomm, published a white paper describing proof of history. Watching as blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum struggled to perform more than 14 transactions per second because of the problem of computers struggling to agree with each other on time, Anatoly knew that with this hurdle of time consensus, blockchain technology would never overtake centralized payment systems such as Visa, which performs 65,000 transactions per second, or TPS. With the knowledge that a reliable clock would make consensus between computers very simple and make transactions rapid, he began working on the project that materialized as Solana in 2020. It's named after Solana Beach, a small beach town north of San Diego. Solana is an open-source, third-generation, high-performance, permissionless blockchain designed to support different DeFi solutions, everything from decentralized applications, or dApps, to decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. From DeFi and Web3 applications to NFTs and games, Solana has over 400 applications built on it. Solana combines the novel proof of history, or POH, mechanism that runs parallel with its underlying proof of stake, or POS, consensus to attain cheap and fast transactions without foregoing decentralization. Proof of history is a central Solana innovation that solves the time problem of consensus. It is a permissionless source of time in the Solana network that works before consensus. Proof of history is a pile of proofs, each proving that a data existed before the proof was made. Also, it contains proof that a specific amount of time passed before the previous proof. With proof of history, specific times and dates are placed on the blockchain blocks, thereby eliminating the need for blockchain nodes to communicate with each other before submitting blocks. Apart from its POH mechanism, the Solana ecosystem employs another novel innovation called Sealevel. Technically, Sealevel is a hyper-parallelized transaction processing engine that ensures that validators run smart contract codes in a parallel way. In simple terms, this means that instead of running smart contracts serially, that is, one after the other, the validators can process thousands of smart contracts simultaneously. This feature helps in the scalability of the Solana ecosystem. Other technologies that help the Solana ecosystem solve blockchain's trilemma of decentralization, scalability, and security are 1. Solana's Tower BFT, Byzantine Fault Tolerance consensus. This makes use of the proof of work as a clock before consensus to minimize the processing power needed to verify transactions, thereby hastening up the blockchain's consensus process. 2. Cloud Break Protocol. This protocol provides the needed scalability of the Solana ecosystem. 3. Turbine. This technology ensures the seamless transfer of data to nodes on the blockchain. 4. Solana's pipeline infrastructure ensures that transactions are validated faster and transaction information replicated across nodes. 5. Solana's Gulfstream mempool-less mechanism. This mechanism also aids in increasing the speed and scalability of the Solana ecosystem by forwarding transactions to validators before the previous set of transactions is finalized. 6. Solana's archivers, which act as a distributed ledger storage that stores data from the blockchain. These technologies give Solana the needed spread and scalability to perform up to 50,000 transactions per second, compared to the meager 15 transactions per second on the Ethereum blockchain and 4.6 transactions per second on the Bitcoin blockchain. Also, costs per transaction on the Solana ecosystem are incredibly cheap, at an average cost of $0.00025 per transaction. Solana's use case. The Solana ecosystem is home to some very popular dApps, NFT, DeFi, DexX, games, etc., like Soldex, Solarians, Serum, Orca, Dino, Certified, Audius, Tether, Radium. Sol is Solana's native token. It's used for the following. 1. Staking. Validators can stake their Sol to be able to validate transactions. 2. Governance. Sol enables holders to participate in the governance process of the ecosystem. 3. Gas fees. Sol is used to pay gas fees in the ecosystem. 4. Reward. Sol is used as an incentive or reward in the ecosystem. According to the Solana Foundation, the maximum supply of Sol is 500 million. However, its circulating supply is about 272 million tokens. With over 400 projects built on its ecosystem and over 41 billion total transactions, Solana is one of the fastest growing blockchains globally. To learn more about cryptocurrency and keep updated with blockchain technology, subscribe to Soldex Academy and check out our other crypto videos explaining technical crypto concepts in easily understandable terms.